Hey, what's up guys? My name is Saurabh and this is my YouTube channel Data Science Novice. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, please do like and subscribe. Your efforts are massively appreciated. So in the last video we talked about stop words, and in this video we are going to talk about our function that cleans our text. So let's get started. Def is a keyword we use for creating a function in Python, and we are going to name this function as clean underscore text, and it takes only one argument, that is news article itself. Okay, so inside the function, first we created an empty string by the name string that will store our clean text. Now we have to lowercase all the text data because our algorithm will consider the same text differently. For example, capital A and small a will be considered different, which is exactly same in English library. So here text.lowercase will convert the text into lowercase. Then we are going to use RE, that is regular expressions, to simplify our text. And to do that, we use re.sub method that is used to find and replace a particular text or pattern in any text. So here sub function will take three arguments. First the pattern we want to find, then the second argument takes pattern or text we want to replace with it, and the third argument takes the text in which we want to find and replace the text. So for example, here we have I apostrophe am. So I want to replace it with I am. Similarly, I have done this for several other patterns. So once our text is lowercase and also done with pattern find and replacement, next we are going to remove the special characters using the same sub method. So here first I removed all the brackets, at the rate, asterisk and all. Then in the next line we have backslash s plus. It is basically telling that find where we have space more than one time and replaced with it single space. So once our text is done with lowercase, pattern finding and special characters, I want to make sure that we don't have a single character or a single digit. So this line of code is doing exactly the same. It will find any single character or single digit and it will going to replace with a single space. So this line of code is doing this same thing. So once we are done with simplifying our text and removing special characters, we are going to remove stop words and lematize those words. To do that we use for loop. So for word in text dot split. So this split method will split the sentences into individual words. So basically we are walking over each word of a sentence with this for loop. Next we put a condition, that is, if the word is not stop word, we are going to go forward and lematize it and then storing in the string variable that we created earlier. And if it's not, if it's in the stop words, we are going to go for next word. And if the next word pass the test, we are going to add that word into the string variable. So basically this block of code is doing two things for us. First, it is making sure that all the stop words are removed, and it is making sure that the word needs to be lemmatized are lemmatized. Okay, then in the final step we are going to return the string. Since it's a huge data set, so before applying this function to the whole data set, we have to make sure that this function works perfectly fine or it serves the intended purpose. So in order to do that, we will first check this function on a single news and then we will apply it to the whole data set. So let's see the news at 10th index before applying the function, and then we will apply the function on the same news article and see the changes. Okay, so here we see A in capital and Donald Trump in capital, and there are few commas. So all these things shouldn't be there after we apply our text cleaning function. Okay, so now let's apply this line of code is applying the function. So let's run this cell, shift enter, and we are good to go. Okay, so we are getting some error because I haven't run those above two cells in which we have imported our libraries and the stop words cell. Okay, so let's run those cells. Okay, now the moment of truth. Okay, so here we have our clean text. So as you can see that our clean text is much smaller than the unclean text. Now you can see we don't have the Donald Trump is in small letters and everything is in small letters and commas are gone. So from here we can see that our function is ready to be applied on the whole data set. So if you are doing this project in Kaggle, it will take a few minutes. But if you are doing it on your PC, this may take some time because this is a huge data set and this function will require a lot of time to clean the data set. So now let's apply this function on the text column. Okay, so this line of code we are using a function called apply function. This apply function will make sure that it goes through each of the article and apply our cleaning function. So basically what is happening, a function is applying another function in this line of code. Okay, so let's run this cell and it may take some time, so I'm going to fast forward it. Okay, the function has run successfully and hopefully we didn't get any error. So now our data set is clean. So now let's check the process data. So calling the text column, okay, so here we see that Donald Trump is in lowercase, so everything is in lowercase. So if you want to be more sure, go ahead and check news at any index, just like I did. So if you think that I have missed some step in cleaning process or you want to add some more cleaning step, like there should be a step to clean the links in the news, go ahead and try. So we are done with one of the toughest and the most important part of the NLP projects. So in the next video, we will learn how to visualize the text data. For that, we will be using word cloud library and we will learn how to make our visualizations more interesting. Till then, bye, and if you enjoyed the video, please do like and subscribe and share with your friends. Your efforts are massively appreciated.